Hi, I'm Carl Anderson with MarineMax Charleston, just off Daniel Island, and today I'm going to take you through a new 2020 Scout 210 Dorado. Starting off with the boat's exterior, this is the optional shark gray hull color. Standard on the boat, we have the bow rail, white rub rail with a stainless insert, optional bimini top. You can see we've got canvas for the boat, both bow and cockpit. Pop-up cleats. Coming back around, we've got two swim platforms on either side with your telescoping boarding ladder to the port side. Trim tabs are with the boat. She's powered by a 150 4-stroke from Yamaha. This is the XCA motor, the digital throttle and shift. Ski hoop at the transom as well is also optional. Now let's go inside and see the rest of the features. So making our way into the cockpit of the 210 Dorado, we have a fold-down wave gate, which allows us to get in and out of the boat using either swim platform. To convert this to a bench seat, we bring the backrest up, lock it into place, and engage the stern seat that way. You've got seating all the way across, full beam. You can easily seat 4 adults here. We've got a live well beneath the port side seat. Battery is located beneath the starboard side jump seat. We have rod holders along the transom. Again, optional ski tow. This does remove. And then you can also remove this seat totally out of the way. So if you want to fish this area, you can have a little bit more space in the cockpit as well. We've got a port side lounger that has forward and aft facing seating when upright and then drops down to form a lounge. Beneath that, you've got pull out storage there. That's lockable. Your ski locker down on the floor for just general storage there. Captain seat does swivel and slide. Your steering wheel here is on a tilt base. You got my digital gauges from Yamaha, Infinity Bluetooth stereo. Again, digital throttle and shift with that Yamaha 150 XCA. Trim tabs are optional on the boat, which is equipped, and we also have the LED indicators that show where those tabs are positioned. And we got a lockable glove box here with an acrylic door. And upgraded JL speakers on this boat, with one of them located right here next to the captain. Here to the port side, we've got another lockable glove box area. Storage in the port side console. Some storage in the starboard side console, which is also where an optional freshwater tank is located. This boat does have fresh water on board. And the hookup is right here for the hose. I can close this windshield and block off some of the wind on cooler running days. Really deep bow. There's storage beneath both seats. But for a 21-foot boat, this is a lot of lounge space. I'm about 5'10", so someone who's over 6 feet tall can lounge here comfortably. We have a pull-out picnic table with a cooler box beneath as well. Drains, of course. Access to your anchor line is behind this hatch, and the anchor is housed beneath this lid right here. Full bow rail for safety, but a really comfortable, safe, great running family boat from Scout. Again, this is the 210 Dorado here at MarineMax in Charleston. Give us a call at 843-747-1889 and always check us out at marinemax.com. Thanks for watching.